ẹ tóbi o, ẹ tóbi. Olúwa, ẹ tóbi. Ẹ tóbi o, ẹ tóbi.
Daddy Joe.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
How the ministry, sir?
We thank God.
Well done, sir.
Yes.
Sir, abeg, I say make I come fetch water for your side. Water, because we no get a single water for house. I wan even baff now. I no get water to baff.
No be you do small sallah for here. I dey look say maybe na because you kill fowl and make you no give me anything. You are I just keep quiet. You do this big sallah, you keep ram too wey get meat for body your toyo. I even send pikin say make e come check you say whether na because you no know say like this I no see your message. I say ma use body I no see your message.
Me I no know say you dey chop sallah and I know say you now you be pastor, you be GO. So wetin we come do with our own meat again na im make and that time you for come ask me.
Na me come tell you say my name na GO. My name na Capello.
No be you get that church wey dey there so.
Look at you.
Which kind pastor be this one again o?
Wait. I hear you say you no know say Christian dey chop the salad meat abi?
Yes. I no know na.
But you be Muslim?
Yes, I be Muslim na. Yes.
No, that one dey. Okay, I no dey allow Muslim people dey fetch water for my house.
Me just say I no wan even fetch again.
There they go.
Thank God say rain dey even dey fall now. Ma I go put my rubber for where I go for take collect water. You too stingy. After that they go say Christian good. Come up for here. Stingy man. Come on water you no give. After that you go say you be pastor. Go dey preach dey waka up and down. Come up for here.